So for those who don't know me, most people know that I am a licensed real estate professional and that I've been in this industry for almost 20 years. Not just for the benefit of selling real estate, but for educating people on the significance behind doing so. So most people I speak with openly state that they will never purchase a home. And when asking why, their response is often, I don't think I can qualify, or that I have the down payment, or the opportunity never presented itself until I came along. So my take on that is a simple picture that most people will invest in stocks and bonds that are aggressive or mild, and that will yield them a small return over an extended period of time. And if in the event you decided to get access to that money, there's a penalty attached to it, as well as a capital gain tax. But when investing in your primary home, it will afford you many opportunities to ultimately secure your home and allow you to invest additional money into your home, which will in turn give you equity. And at that point, will give you leverage in many ways that will open you up to other opportunities. But to find out more on how to obtain the step-by-step process, you can do one of three things. You can contact me directly and schedule a consultation, or you can enroll in my step-by-step purchasing process from start to finish, and you can follow me for free on my YouTube channel, and the same with IG, but hit the bell so that you can get all the updated information and to find out more about what's available when it's time to investing in either real estate, life insurance, or cryptocurrency. So follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Official Sandra Stinson. So stay tuned and stay tuned in, and thanks for watching.